In this lecture, we will discuss Herbert Spencer, one of the most influential early sociologists, known for applying evolutionary theory to society. Spencer is often remembered for the idea of survival of the fittest and for viewing society as a social organism. Biographical sketch. Herbert Spencer was born in 1820 in England and died in 1903. Unlike many thinkers, he had no formal university education, yet he became one of the most widely read social philosophers of the 19th century. He was deeply influenced by Charles Darwin, though Spencer actually coined the phrase survival of the fittest even before Darwin popularized natural selection. Intellectual background. Spencer lived during the period of Industrial Revolution, rapid scientific progress, and social change. He believed that just as nature evolves, society also evolves from simple to complex forms. His thinking combines biology, philosophy, and sociology, making him a strong supporter of positivism and scientific explanation. Theory of social evolution. According to Spencer, society evolves through three major stages. 1. Simple society, small, homogeneous, undifferentiated. 2. Compound society, growing size and structure. 3. Doubly compound society, complex institutions and specialization. He argued that evolution means movement from homogeneity to heterogeneity, and from simplicity to complexity. Society as an organism. One of Spencer's most famous ideas is the concept of society as a social organism. Just like the human body has organs such as heart and lungs, society has institutions like family, economy, religion, and polity. Each part performs a function necessary for the survival of the whole society. However, Spencer also clarified that individuals have consciousness, while society as a whole does not. Survival of the fittest. Spencer applied the idea of survival of the fittest to society. He believed that social progress occurs naturally when stronger institutions and individuals survive, while weaker ones disappear. Because of this belief, Spencer opposed state intervention, welfare policies, and social reforms, arguing that they interfere with natural evolution. This idea later came to be known as social Darwinism. Spencer's views on the state. Spencer supported the idea of a minimal state. He believed the state should only perform basic functions like defense and law, and should not interfere in education, health, or economic life. According to him, excessive government control weakens society instead of strengthening it. Criticism of Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer faced serious criticism. His ideas justified inequality, poverty, and exploitation as natural. Later sociologists like Durkheim and Marx rejected biological explanations of society. Modern sociology criticizes Spencer for ignoring social justice, power, and historical conditions. Conclusion. To conclude, Herbert Spencer played a crucial role in the early development of sociology. Although many of his ideas are outdated today, his contribution lies in treating society as a system governed by laws and promoting a scientific approach to social study. If this lecture helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with sociology students. Thank you.